Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I have a little try-on haul for summer, mostly from Quince. So I've done two other videos on my channel featuring Quince. This is not sponsored. They have gifted me a couple pieces in the past, but I purchased all of this with my own money, so all the thoughts are my own. Not that that would change even if they gave them to me, but I love Quince. If you're unfamiliar with them, check them out. You're going to fall in love, especially if your style is very like Everlane meets, I'm trying to think of other things that I really love. Banana Republic meets Gap meets just like very classic, timeless pieces, but made with high quality material. So high quality material without that like luxury name brand price that goes along with it. So think like Madewell, half price. Think like Banana Republic, half price. Think all of that in just super quality pieces at a fraction of the cost, and they use really high quality fabrics. Like I've got a piece of cashmere in here. So I wanted to look at their website because I haven't checked their site in a while, and they're always putting out new things. Like I have my winter coat. My favorite winter coat is from there. My little travel duffel bag is from there. I'm obsessed, but I also have a lot of clothing pieces from there as well. And they do linen really well, and you guys have told me like, check out their linen, check out their linen. And so I did. The first is something that I feel like is kind of trending right now, which is tube tops. I feel like tube tops really are seeing a resurgence, and I'm not a tube top like kind of girl, but I saw this and I thought this was like an elevated way to do a tube top. It's linen, and I like that it kind of has like a rounded sort of top. It's got this thick elastic band so it stays up, and it's this navy blue, which navy blue is one of my favorite colors for linen. I just love it so much. So I love the way this kind of cinches in a little bit and kind of bows out. I thought this would look so cool with my little bubble skirt. Or you could tuck it in, you could tuck it into jeans, you could wear it over the top of jeans. I don't know, I just think this is an elevated way to do a tube top in like a fresh, modern kind of way. So I love this piece, and yeah, she's definitely a keeper. The whole reason I started looking at Quince though was for their linen dresses, and you guys, oh, so good. Okay, first let's start with one that wasn't a full hit. Why was I like, this is so good? Then let's start with something I didn't like. It's not that I didn't like this, I just need it in a size small. For some reason I grabbed it in an extra small, and I cannot tell you why, but they fit true to size. So I'm not an extra small, I'm a small. It's a little bit short, and I had to do that like shimmy slash don't start sweating while you take off this dress because it'll never come off sort of dance to get it off, you know what I mean? But I love the silhouette of this. I picked up something similar to this at Target in black, not in navy, but I loved this navy. This is fully lined. It's stunning. I love this sort of fit on a dress, high neck with kind of like an A-line look. It has pockets in it. It's such a nice quality piece. Definitely much better than the Target piece that I found, but still a very good price point. So I will be exchanging this for a small instead of an extra small, but I imagined wearing this. You could obviously dress it up very easily, but I honestly imagined wearing it with like colored sneakers or something fun into the spring and summer. Into the summer. I feel like linen is going to be my best friend moving back to Texas, because I feel like I just want stuff that doesn't touch my body, and linen is always a fan favorite. So I've been trying to pick up a couple more dresses, which leads me to my favorite thing like that I found in a really long time, which is the spaghetti strap linen dress. And I am not a spaghetti strap kind of girl, but these are perfection. I got them in black and in white. I'm keeping both of these. These come in a small, slightly just like, I don't know, like a square neckline, I guess you could call it, just like a straight across with these little bows on the side, which I love the bows. Now the bows can't be tied in the front. They can only really be tied in the back because of the way that the length is. This has a slight bungee in the back, but not like full bungeed, which I find happens to be with a lot of linen dresses. Like this whole thing will be just like ruching. And then it has a zipper to get in and out of on the side. This is double lined, has pockets, but it also is triple lined in, or like double lined with linen in the breast. So extra not see-through. No, you can see that line, but I don't really have a problem with that because I just feel like linen is meant to be one of those natural fabrics that kind of has a see-through effect to it, and such is life. I don't really care, but I think this is going to be so pretty. I mean, you could style this again so many different ways, but I am gonna wear the heck out of this summer. Again, fits true to size. I am a size small. I also got it in black because I love it that much. Again, it can just be paired and worn so many different ways. I think I'm going to live in these. I feel like it's gonna be a way to elevate my classic, whenever I would throw on like my athleisure dresses, which I still love my athleisure dresses from Halara, but if I want a little bit more elevation, throw on one of these and gives that same kind of feel. So cute, completely customizable with these strings that untie and tie, pockets, and has the zipper again. I cannot say enough good things about that little strappy linen dress. It is the best. And if you were to find something like that on Banana Republic, first of all, it might not even be 100% linen. Second of all, it's gonna be way more expensive. So happy I found that. And then this piece actually surprised me, but I kept like looking at it and seeing it. And it's this 100%, it's their cashmere, Mongolian cashmere? Yeah, cashmere. So this is a delicate piece. You do want to hand wash this and whatnot. And when you order something that's cashmere from their site, they will send you an email on how to care for it, which I love that about them. So this is just a really cute little like sweater vest, but I thought it would look so cute with a skirt, with jeans, with shorts. I don't know, I love it. You could always throw it over the top of something as well, but I love the details of this, and the gray I felt like would go with everything. And I feel like this will be a really nice piece to transition me into fall as well, because in Texas it's still hot as heck, but we want to wear sweaters because everyone's wearing sweaters. So I think this will be perfect to transition into fall. I love the little like blackish grayish buttons, and I think this is such a nice piece. So if you have never checked out Quince, I highly recommend checking them out. They also have an amazing rewards program. I know this sounds sponsored, but it's not. I just truly love their stuff. So whenever you review a product, which is why you'll see a ton of 5-star reviews on their site, whenever you review a product, they give you points which you can redeem for cash, and it's a good amount. So you can do a lot of different ways to earn points on their site. So that's why they have a ton of reviews on their stuff. But I can speak honestly, I have tried quite a bit of stuff on their site, and their sizing, I feel like with their sweaters was a little hit or miss, but this stuff I spot on, absolutely love. I wish they had full length linen pants. They only have like cropped ones, and their linen shorts have like the sewn on pocket from the outside, which is the only reason why I didn't grab those. But if you're looking for good linen, they have a butter yellow button up that I'm eyeing, even though I just picked up one the other day. It's a little bit brighter, but those dresses you need to check out if you're looking for a good linen dress. If linen's not your bag, they have so many other things to choose from. I'm telling you, they add stuff every single day. Think of it as like a wholesaler, like kind of like, I don't know, it's like a wholesale kind of thing. Like you can order like large quantities of these things at a discounted rate, but the quality is phenomenal. So yeah, that's it. That's all the pieces that I picked up for my spring into summer little Quince haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, liked the way I styled them very simply. But if there's anything else you want to see, like those specific linen dresses styled a bit more, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you have ever picked up from Quince and what you recommend. I also have a couple of their boat neck sweaters. I have a lot of their like organic crew neck sweaters. They're just good. Sweatpants, sweatshirts, I have it all. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful. If you want to see anything else from Quince or any other specific brands, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye!